Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Nation pays tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his birth anniversary. Health Sub-Center inaugurated in Nong Trao to serve 8 villages. RBYWO opposes land acquisition for CISF housing in Umroi. GHADC officials inspect border after alleged vandalism by GHADC. And the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council celebrates 73rd Council Day. The news in detail. India today commemorated the 133rd birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, with tributes pouring in from across the country. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the nation in paying respect of the Parliament House complex. A fierce advocate for social justice and equality, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played a pivotal role in drafting the Constitution and served as independent India's first law minister. Remembered for his fight against untouchability and his vision for an inclusive society. A new health sub-center was officially inaugurated today at Nong Trao village under the Bhoi Rimbong CNRD block by Umroi MLA Damanbat Lamare. The 5.5 lakh rupees facility implemented by the Village Employment Council is expected to benefit residents of 8 villages: Sarang, Nong Trao Bangla, Lumdingan, Lumrit, Kirdeng, Wat Mentat and Maukduk. The center will provide essential healthcare services, particularly for women and children.
I begin a sub-center. Kan long ka ba sakri pa, sakri kam pa, ika koi ka kya, jong ka nika than hi brokaway, but jong ka nika sinong hi brokaway. Ada don kano ka jing nga kumu emily no yalam jong ka nika than ka dong ka jongi nga kroy, ban pendit pembiang, lene ban pende, lene ban pernah pembiang. Yang kita kejing duna kipadan hapo kanika sub-center.
The Ribhoi Youth Welfare Organization, or RBYWO, has strongly objected to the government's plan to acquire land in the Umroi area for constructing residential quarters for CISF personnel. Following a public notice issued on April 8, RBYWO Working President Abor Nongrum criticized the move, citing past hardships faced by the communities near armed force installations. He urged residents not to sell land for short-term gain and appealed to the village councils and the aim of Rat Umroi to withhold NOCs. The organization also pressed the state government to focus on creating job opportunities for trained local youth at the airport.
Tingin ng lem juga saya ni kerpat jo kantam ya ki rangwa senang buat ya kisir di pada menhak pempet tinggi juga ki kerpat jo buat kinam ai mesti ya kita kisipai kumala long tang lala mak ketika jibdan jam sipai yang dibuat nosder bol kimi hadiah ke jingkerum keram.
GHADC Executive Member Powell Soklet, MDC from Rambrai and Nongstoin, along with leaders of Hima Nonglang, inspected the boundary between GHADC and GHADC following reports that the Garo Students' Union (GSU) and individuals claiming to represent GHADC destroyed boundary markers belonging to the Nyanglang clan in Maukuru. Powell, under direction from GHADC CEM Shembor Rinja, condemned the act, clarifying that the markers were traditional clan boundaries, not district-level markers, and affirmed with documentation that the land belongs to Hima Nonglang.
Ikut kislah baladab register na musa po office jangi kila don te igaro hirs pada kini kisni kila kam ya kene jaka mau guru jangi tena kaliang jangi umur ba ngesngau ban persajur ya kene jing kam jongki namarwa makiro thalai le seklemti ba yo pu sam banang no pu sam jong khasil sud garo hirs tena kaliang jongar kene por mentang sepat ki bor balor ya kaban simkhia kene kam ham don kono jingja adin habut nak mentang no song tiba song akini jaka.
The Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, or GHADC, celebrated its 73rd Council Day today at the District Library cum Auditorium in Tura. The event was graced by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, GHADC leaders and others. The celebration featured reflections on GHADC's achievements, challenges and future plans, along with cultural performances such as patriotic song, school choir presentation and a traditional Wangala dance. In his address, Tinsong emphasized the importance of the 6th schedule and the Council's role in regional development. The day underscored GHADC's continued commitment to governance and cultural preservation in the Garo Hills.
Since you have been authorized fully by the 6th schedule, please don't forget 96 to 98% of land that we have in the state of Meghalaya falls under the 6th schedule. If we don't have 6th schedule, if the land belongs to anybody without any controlling or without anybody's controlling over it, means anytime, any moment will disappear from this universe.
The Assamese community in Shillong kick-started the vibrant Rongali Bihu celebration on Monday at the Shillong Vidyalaya field under the banner of the Shillong Central Rongali Bihu Committee. Retired SBI official Pratur Chandra Deka inaugurated the 3-day festival by hoisting the Bihu flag. The event featured a spirited Bihu dance performance by a troupe from Assam and saw enthusiastic participation from people across communities, reflecting the city's inclusive cultural spirit.
At present, we are celebrating 2 Bihus in Shillong at present. So this is the oldest one we are celebrating, and all the Assamese community people here, they are enthusiastic about it. Though we are limited in number, but we will not forget to celebrate our own Rongali Bihu.
A tragic hit-and-run accident occurred around 4 p.m. yesterday on the Shillong bypass near Tindai Resort, claiming the life of a 29-year-old woman, Sidora Langste of Nongster Block B, and seriously injuring Rai Singh Lalu 30 of Umroi Nongra. The scooty they were riding was struck from behind by a speeding truck, which fled the scene immediately after the collision. Police from Khapmara PIC and Umyam Police Station have launched an investigation and alerted nearby outposts, but the offending truck remains untraced. India has successfully showcased its ability to shoot down fixed-wing and swarm drones using 30-kilowatt laser weapons, marking a significant milestone in its defense capabilities. With this achievement, India joins an exclusive group of nations, including the US, China and Russia, that have developed and demonstrated advanced directed energy weapon systems. Balawan College Umsning concluded its badminton competition with enthusiasm under the theme, Swing Together, Win Forever. Chief guest David Lingdor and Principal Dr. L. Karluni praised the participants for their talent and team spirit. The event featured matches in men's and women's categories, celebrating unity, discipline and healthy competition. Lindor spoke on the role of sports in shaping character. The event concluded on a high note, strengthening the college commitment to unity and holistic development.
What happening kanika Jimon Kam kajing pulih pan apa jadi kebabhatan kata kalau kajing kilanmen habide berani ke tournament nasko ba wan hangni belong kumchi ngas ngamde belong tak chief guest nrai kunong aiman sim yaki payindon bentalang hakani ke sports ka ba ke baro kade kajing trelang ba khan kajing trelang ginumla ban penolong ya kabha kamiat kamtaman kantiu yaki samaj.
The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 23 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 34 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 33% and rainfall was recorded at 2.1 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 14.8 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 24.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 76% and the rainfall was recorded 0.9 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature was 16 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 26 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 51% and the rainfall was recorded at 4.6 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Juwai and Shillong says that moderate rain is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Nation pays tribute to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his birth anniversary. Health Sub-Center inaugurated in Nong Trau to serve 8 villages. RBYWO opposes land acquisition for CISF housing in Umroi. GHADC officials inspect border after alleged vandalism by GSU GHADC. And the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council celebrates 73rd Council Day. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.